Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rajib and I want to tell you a story about a Malay woman. Long time ago, there's a woman lived in village in Sumatra. She lived with her son, Malin Kunda. Her husband was dead, although she was very poor. She lived happily because she was a religious mother. She always expressed thanks to God with everything she got. But Malin Kunda was not satisfied with his son's life. He wanted to be rich. He didn't want to stay with his mother in poverty all his life. Working in big city and being a rich man was his obsession. One day, there was a merchant ship dropped anchor in the harbor near his village. The captain of the ship was looking for new recruits for his crew. Malin Kunda heard this and he asked her mother. He said, "Mother, I'm going to live here. I want to apply to be a crew of the ship." His mother said, "But you must be careful and always remember me." And Malin Kunda became the crew of the merchant ship. Many years later, Malin Kunda was very successful at the sea. Not only he was now the captain of a ship, but also he was the owner of a fleet of merchant ship as well. He had become a very rich man, but he was very boast of himself and very close distant. He never sent his mother a letter or money. He never visited her as well. One day, Malin Kunda traveled from the idle island bringing his new, big and very expensive ship. A lot of people gathered in the harbor when it dropped anchor, and an old man hurried to the home of the Malin Kunda's mother. He told her mother, he said, old mother, your son has returned. Malin Kunda, he is the captain of the splendid ship that has dropped anchor in the harbor. He is a great man, a rich man. They said it is on his ship. They said it is his own ship. Come, old mother, and see. Come and see. She was very cheerful knowing that her son come back. Malin Kunda's mother could hardly believe the news. She hardly came to her son saying, she said, "Oh, my son, Malin Kunda, I miss you. It's me, your mother." Malin Kunda recognized his mother, but he was a captain and a owner of a ship. A man of affluence. This was a poor old man bearing a basket of rice, the poorest of the 5 women. He refused and said, "What do you want of me, old man?" He said, "I do not know you. You are not my mother. I don't have such a poor mother like you. Go away, digger, go away." Malin Kunda's mother was very sad to hear that. She did not imagine how it could happen. She was very disappointed. Then she lifted her hand with her eyes closed. She said, "Oh God, I know he is my son, but why he has been so weak? Please don't let this weakness continue. Punish him as you wish." Malin Kunda entered the ship, leaving his mother at the harbor. He intended to travel again with his new ship, but suddenly the sky was dark and rain heavily. If his lungs started to start his ship, Malin Kunda terrified and cried, "Oh God, I know what ungodly sin I have committed against my mother. Please forgive me." But it was too late. This time there was no forgiveness. The ship capsized and turned into a great rock. Malin Kunda could not live happily anymore. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.